Potential employers may look at your LinkedIn profile as part of their recruitment and hiring process. LinkedIn is a professional networking platform that allows individuals to showcase their professional experience, skills, and qualifications, making it an important tool for job seekers. Employers often use LinkedIn to find and recruit qualified candidates for open positions, and many employers will review LinkedIn profiles as part of their screening process. They may also use LinkedIn to verify information on your resume or to learn more about your professional experience and qualifications. It's recommended to keep your LinkedIn profile up to date and to use it to showcase your professional experience, skills, and qualifications. This can include adding an updated resume, highlighting your job experience, listing your education, and sharing relevant professional accomplishments. It's important to be mindful of the information you post on LinkedIn as it can be seen by potential employers, colleagues, and clients. It's always a good idea to review your profile and to make sure that the information is accurate, and to consider the privacy settings of your profile. In summary, potential employers may look at your LinkedIn profile as part of their recruitment and hiring process, so it's a good idea to keep it up to date and to use it to showcase your professional experience, skills, and qualifications.